guys, it's Cheyenne here and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a fun, soft, smoky eye, so if you guys are interested, make sure to continue watching. ColourPop was kind enough to send me some products, which I'm so excited to share with you guys. I'll make sure to link everything down below. If you guys are interested in any ColourPop items, make sure to use discount code 5Cheyenne for $5 off your purchase. First, I'm going to start with the Mario Badescu Facial Spray. I love just applying just a small amount on my face just to keep my face hydrated. I'm going to start with the eyeshadow palette, Give It To Me Straight. I'm going to go in with the colors Truth Hurts and Frank. I'm going to apply it on my outer corner. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the shades Frank and Actually. I'm just going to lightly apply it on the edge of my eye. Next, I'm going in with the color Truth Hurts. I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to be using the shade Straight Up, which is a really pretty shimmer. I'm going to apply it on the middle corner of my eye. And I really love that this is very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the color Truth Hurts and Frank. I'm going to lightly apply it on the outside of my eyes. Next, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Next, I'm going to use an eyelash curler, and this is just going to help elongate my eyelashes. I'm going to be using the Lancome Eyelash Booster. Don't freak out, but this mascara is going to look white. I'm going to apply a second coat with a different mascara, so don't worry. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why. Next, I'll be using Maybelline's Lash Sensation. Next, you're going to want to make sure that you get a dampened towel and you're going to wipe the excess along your face. Now that that is done, I'm going to use a concealer along the bottom of my eyes. Make sure you use a damp beauty blender and you're going to go ahead and blend. Now that I went ahead and blended in my concealer, I'm going to use the No Filter foundation from ColourPop. Next, I'm going to be using my MAC powder. It's in the color C4. I'm going to get a nice fluffy brush. Just going to apply a small amount everywhere. Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide. Next, I'm going to use the bronzer from MAC. This is in the Give Me Sun color. This is a really pretty bronzer. I'm going to apply it along the temples of my face. Next, I'm going to be using the highlighter palette from ColourPop. This is Crush on You. I am going to be using the color Class Act. I'm going to get a nice little fluffy brush. And just apply it along my temples just like I did my bronzer. Ooh, it's very pretty. Sometimes I like even going in with a smaller brush just to get the cupid bow, my nose. It's a nice little pop. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use a lipstick. I'm going to use the color C'mon Sis from the Shayla collection. This is also from ColourPop. And just to make sure that my eyes stand out, I'm going to use a black eyeliner. I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line. Typically you want to do this before you do your bottom eyelashes, but I did it backwards, so. And then once you apply your eyeliner, then you have your full completed look. Like I said, this is just a nice everyday soft makeup tutorial. This is my completed look. Let me give you guys a close-up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll make sure to link all the products down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.